In this video, we will go over how to model equations and model inequalities. This first example is an equation because it has an equal sign, and essentially what you're doing is you're just pairing up what you see with a number or a coefficient and a letter or a variable. This first one, we see 3x's, so that's going to represent 3x. Then here we see 4 positives, so that represents a plus 4. We have our equal sign here, so I'm just going to bring that down. And then this last part, you just count how many positives you see here. I have 13 positives, so the equation I'm going to use is 3x plus 4 equals 13. This example represents an inequality, and it's going to be the same concept. These 3 longer rows, these are all going to represent x's, and I count 1, 2, 3 of them, so that'll be 3x. Here I have 4 negatives. That's representing a negative 4, and I can just represent that by writing minus 4. I'm going to bring down my greater than or equal to sign, and then on this side I have 5 positives, so that represents the number 5. So the inequality that I'm seeing here is 3x minus 4 is greater than or equal to 5.